Welcome to Innovent Foods. Today we are making a quick, creamy and absolutely mouth-watering paneer bhujia, perfect for paratha, toast or even a light dinner. Let's get cooking. Take 100 grams of paneer and crumble it finely. Use fresh paneer for best texture and flavor. Always crumble paneer with your hands to keep it light and fluffy. Did you know bhujia originally comes from Rajasthan but has endless regional twist? Heat 1 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon butter in a pan. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds, let them splatter. Paneer bhujia is often served with pap or roti in Indian household. Now add half cup finely chopped onion and 2 chopped green chilies. Saute until the onions soften. Add the spices: 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, and half teaspoon salt. Now add 1 chopped tomato and 2 tablespoon water. Cook until the tomatoes soften. Add 1 cup milk and cook for 3 to 4 minutes to create a creamy base. Stir the milk continuously to avoid curdling. The milk base adds creaminess without needing heavy cream. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon garam masala, and the crumble paneer. Add 1 teaspoon kasuri methi for aroma and cook for 2 more minutes. Kasuri methi should be crushed between palms before adding for stronger aroma. Paneer is packed with protein and great for bone health. Using milk instead of cream keeps the dish lighter. Finish with 1 tablespoon fresh cream, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander, adding green chilies boosts metabolism naturally. A small serving goes a long way in satisfying cravings and nutrition. Add a little mozzarella cheese, butter and cream on top. Mozzarella gives it a fusion twist, Indian flavors with cheesy vibes. That's our creamy and spicy paneer bhujia, quick to make, full of flavor and perfect for every meal. Have you ever tried making paneer bhujia at home? Tell us your favorite way to enjoy your paneer, curry, bhujia or roll. If you love this recipe, save it and try it today. Thank you for joining us at Innovent Foods. See you in the next recipe. Until then, keep cooking with love.